Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You can make me the host by till the time everyone else join.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Are you giving maths paper, Safia?
My father said to attend all.
And then best five would be taken, right?
Yeah.
All the tests. So are you prepared now? Maths paper. Maths is actually you have Friday. Next Friday you have maths
Yeah.
paper.
I sent one to you. In 3.8, you check.
3 point. You have sent me yesterday.
Yeah.
You said I didn't get notification.
Ma'am, what is the first exam, ma'am?
First is you have got the date sheet now. First day my paper is there on Monday. One more paper is there. Check your date sheet. I've
English.
got two papers.
I remember all.
Okay.
I
I
have
remember
my
my
mobile.
subject. So my science is on Monday and with
English is there.
English is there. Na? And
If
on
you have,
Friday you have maths, right? During this time only. During my period only we'll have our class. We'll have the test. Okay. Any other doubt is there?
oh, ma'am.
Yes, Afia, I have received second page. Yes, I have received.
Ma'am, I put end of unit review attached with it only.
In the same one, in
Yes.
3.8 second page only you have put.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Because I didn't get an option.
Because
Put end of
I
unit.
didn't send it in on Google Classroom. It was optional that if you want to practice, you can practice at home
Yeah.
doing
You
3.8.
just have to check the answers.
Yeah, I'll check the answer. Okay.
Yes.
Now you have paper on Friday, so before that I'll check and send it to you. Okay, everyone has joined. Tell me any doubt is there. Only I and Safia are there with our cameras on. Only we two will be there in the class. Rest, everyone. Okay, Saklen. Okay, Farhana, Saklen, Yahya, Humaira, Ahmad. Everyone join in. Any doubt is there in decimal topic in the syllabus? Any question or you want to practice specific part? So we can start with that part. Otherwise, I have some questions, mixed questions. So we'll do those mixed questions on decimal. What do you want to do?
Mixed question on decimal.
Yes, ma'am, we'll do mixed question.
Okay, because last time we didn't do simplification and word problem. Okay, so today we'll do some simplification, fill in the blanks, and word problems also. Okay, so let us start with our class. It's already 10:03. So this is simple questions. 3.2 into 10 is how much?
3.2.
Yes, Afia, tell me. 3.2 into 10.
3.20.
32. 32.
See what happens when you multiply with tens. I'm explaining once again. Okay. See what happens if any decimal is there, 2.35 into, if I have to do 10, decimal shifts by the with the number of digit. Means 10 is there. So decimal will shift towards right by 1 digit. And if 2.35 divided by
Acha,
10,
ma'am, understood. So
so
2
decimal
given.
shifts to left. Okay. So this you have to remember 0.235. When you are multiplying with 100, then what happens? 2 decimal will shift here and your answer is 235. Okay. Now you tell me, Safia, 3.2 into 10. Decimal will shift towards right. How many digits?
32, ma'am.
Yeah. So 32.0, it is 32. Okay. Saklen, 25.4 into 1000.
25400.
254 and two zeros you have to add because only one decimal is there. Okay, Ahmad, 93.5 into 100. Yes, Ahmad?
935.
935. Farhana?
9350.
Yes, 9350. Okay, 4.7 divided by 10. Amina,
47.
divided. This is divided. Divide sign mein you have to shift to
0.47.
left. Ah, 0.47. Divide mein you have to shift left and multiply mein you have to shift
Ma'am, we
right.
can say 0.47.
No, you have to say 0.47. Okay. After decimal, we don't, we separately pronounce the numbers. We'll not say 0.47. Okay. This is wrong way to say. Now 4.7 divided by 100. Safia, you tell. Left side you have to shift. 4.7 divided by 100.
And can I say?
0.047.
0. Why is 0? Yes. 0.047 because 2 decimal you have to shift.
Yeah.
1 to 4 ho gaya and 1 more you have to put a 0, so it becomes like this. Okay, 4.7 divided by 1000. Munib, 4.7 divided by 1000.
0.0047.
0.0047. Yes, correct answer. Okay, now next one. Now think what we'll do over here. 8.4 divided by dash is equal to 2.1. What will come over here?
Ma'am, 2.
Correct. Divided by 2, you get 2.1. Okay. So 8.4 divided by 2 is 2.1. Now 52.7 divided by what is 0.527?
100.
Yes, divided by 100 because you have to shift 2 digits here left. So it is 100. Okay. Now, okay, this is fraction. You know this. It is multiplication. 2 into 5 by 3. So 10 by 3 you will get. Okay, do this one. 2.001 divided by 0.003. Saklen. 2.001 divided by, how will you do this? I told you to write in the form of fraction and then you do. It is easier to do. You know, now next step is what? Saklen? You cannot have a decimal divisor. So what will you do?
Ma'am, will multiply it by 100.
By 100? You have 3 digits.
11,000.
1000.
1,000.
So you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 1000. How much you are getting in the numerator?
0.3.
No, in the numerator. This is numerator.
2.1.
You are multiplying with thousands of them. So you have to shift 3 digits towards the right. I told you in multiplication of hundreds and thousands, you have to shift the digits towards right. Okay. Farhana, just tell me the answer in the numerator. What will you get?
2001.
Now you tell Saklen. What will be there in the denominator?
3.
Yes, 3. Now you can do the lowest form because 2 plus 1 is 3. So directly you can divide over here, right? Because this is division. So division can be written in the form of fraction. Who can do this? Muazzam, can you do this? 2001 divided by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
3.
3 ones are 3 6 are 18.
3 ones are and
3 6 are and again 2. 3 6 are 18.
yes,
And then 3 7s are 21.
3 sevens. Decimal may answer you want, na? So 18, 21. Full ho gaya hai. Okay. So 667 is the answer. Okay. Okay. Coming to the next question. Simplify. Okay. Simplify, you know which rule we use.
Board mass.
Yes. So start doing it and give me the answer. And if you don't get the correct answer, then I'll tell you. So first step, what will you do? Mudabir, what will you solve first?
Ma'am, 7.2 minus 3.7.
Correct. 7.2 minus 3.7. Okay, now continue. Yahya, are you there in the class? Yahya, Anas, you also can try this, okay? Rights may we have only Yahya and Anas. So if you're there, you can try, yeah? You can do these questions.
Ma'am, how 7.2 minus 3.7 came? Neutral, first we have to do board mass like
Bracket. First you have to solve bracket. So first is bracket.
Okay.
Okay. Then you have to solve off. Humaira, are you doing? Answer, give me this answer, Humaira. First step is solve the bracket. Then you solve off. Then here division is not there. So you will do the multiplication. And then whatever is left, plus or minus. Then and you know how you have to solve stepwise. Do one at a time. Okay.
Off means we have to multiply.
Correct. Off is multiplication. So how do we do? One step may only one operation you will do. So 4 into minus 0.4 of first you solve this bracket. What is the answer you are getting after subtracting it? Plus 2.4 into 3.0.
The bracket is 3.5.
3.5. Everyone just check. Is it 3.5?
Yes. 3.5.
Okay, 3.5. Now in the next step, put a equal to sign over here. Next step, you will solve off. So off is actually multiplication. So this multiplication, do it. 12.8 minus 0.4 into this thing. How much you are getting? Someone multiply 0.4 into 3.5. Yes. Who is giving the answer? It's not audible. First bracket. Anyone has multiplied?
1.4. 1.4.
2 decimals are there. 5 fours are 20.
14, I think.
11.4, na?
Ma'am, I got 1.40.
Ma'am, 1.4.
1.4, 3.5 into 0.4. Okay. 5 fours are 20. Carry 2. 4 threes are 12. 140. So 2 decimal. 1.4. Yes. It is 1.4. Then you have plus multiply 2.4 into 3.02.
Ma'am, in second one, bracket will open, no 3.5.
That's why I have opened the bracket.
No,
After
no.
solving, you can open the bracket. I wrote because I didn't calculate it, so I was writing in the bracket. Now 2.4 into 3.02, how much it is? Abdullah Patel, tell me where will I put decimal over here? 3.02 into 2.4. Where will I put the decimal?
Ma'am, in 7.248 because from the above there are two places in the decimal, and in the downward there are one.
Total 3. Okay. So here I got 7.248. Now you will add first. Which two will add? Munib, I have this step now. I have 12.8 minus 1.4 plus 7.248. So which two numbers I'll add and which will be subtracted?
We will add 1.4 plus 7.248.
Safia, you are answering?
Yes.
Tell me what did you
We'll
say?
add
Then I got the
1.4
answer.
plus 7.248.
We cannot hear. Don't speak together, all of you. Just one by one. Yes. Who is giving me? Safia. Yes.
We'll add 1.4 plus
Why will you
7.248.
add 1.4? 1.4 has a negative sign. Munib, what will you add?
12.8 plus 7.24.
Positives you will add. Okay. And two negatives we add. But here you have only one negative. So we will add 12.8 plus. Yes, yeah. What was your answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, I also got answer.
Yes. Tell me, Farhana, what is your answer?
18.148.
18.148. Okay. Anyone else has got this answer? This is 20.048, and then now you will subtract. See, Safia, after adding both the positive, you will subtract now 1.4. So here it is 8, here it is 4. 10 में से 4 गया. I think some mistake is there. Farhana, see.
Not 20.048.
Yes, ma'am, sorry.
20.048, then you have to subtract 1.4. So 10 में से 4 गया, it is 6. And then it is 9. 9 में से 1 गया, it is 8. And this is 1. So answer is 18.648. This is wrong. Okay. Everyone just check your answer. Your answer is also 18.648. Just check it.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got 18.648. Okay, 18.148 is wrong. Farhana, check what mistake you have done.
Ma'am, I just made that one digit ki mistake. That's 4.
So when you are
Yes,
adding,
ma'am.
decimal
16.6.
so this is your answer, 18.648. Okay, coming to the next question. One more question is there. I'm raising it. This is the next question. Okay. Humera, which step I will solve first? Tell me.
Ma'am, this first question answer was 18.648.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do the small bracket first.
Yes, small bracket. So first step is you have to solve this small bracket. In the small bracket, what will you do first?
Multiply.
Yes. So start doing it.
Okay.
Rest of the things you will write as it is.
Is this coming in exam?
Who is asking?
Ma'am, is this coming? Ma'am, Mohammadi.
Mohammadi, number of times I have told you this is Mandela's exam. Okay, you are giving fraction. Your syllabus is there on Google Classroom in right section. Okay, so Mohammadi, this is not. So don't get confused. Okay, is it clear? Mohammadi, Muhammad Saqib, Abdullah Patel, and Yahya and Anas. You have to prepare fraction, not decimal. And your paper is on Thursday. Is it clear, right? Right? Is it clear to you or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Confused. Okay, what is it? 2.3 into 1.02. Someone do this.
2.346.
2.3 into 1 point, I'll do here, 1.02 multiply, what do we get? 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3, then 0, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 1s are 2. How much you got?
2346. 2.346.
Yes, 2.346. Now the
Ma'am.
bracket closes. Yes. Now next step. Yes, who
I
is
have a
asking?
question. I
Yes, Afia.
Why are we writing 3.1 over here?
Because it is here, and you know, in bracket also you have to follow BODMAS rule. So multiplication will be solved before subtraction. So
Now we will do subtraction. No?
yes. Now you subtract 3.1 में से 2.346. So you'll put a 0 and 0 over here. Borrow तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 10 and यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 9 and यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 0. Okay. So 10 में से 6, 4, 9 में से 4, 5, 4, 9 and 0 again. So you have to borrow from here. So it becomes 10.
7.
Answer is 0.7.
0.754.
Yeah, so of 0.754. Now what is my next step, Muni? What will I do next?
Then after you did subtraction, then you will do off.
Off, yes. So which is actually multiplication. So 0.5 I will multiply with 0.754. Multiply and give me the answer.
Ma'am, it is 0.54 or 64.
754. This one you are asking?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 0.754. Check it. 10 minus 3. Subtraction. This is subtraction, right? All of you are getting this? Now multiply with 0.5. This is my rough work. Huh? You can do your rough work on the right hand side. 5 4s are 20. Carry 2. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you getting the same answer? 0.770. Now what will we do? You will just add it. So 7.6, because I have to solve the bracket first. When we add it, you get 3.377. And now you subtract 7.6 and 3.377. Again, you will borrow.
Ma'am, 4.223.
4.223. Let me check. 9 में से 7 गया 2. 5 में से 3 गया 2. 7 में से 3 गया 4. 5. Yes. Answer is 4.223. This is your answer. Correct answer. Okay. And this is a rough work on the right hand side. We have done the rough work.
Ma'am, you checked my right revision worksheet?
Second worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Second worksheet I have not yet checked. First I have checked. Second I have not yet checked. You have paper on Thursday. So before that I'll check and send it to you. Maybe on Friday, Saturday. Okay. Okay. Everyone has got this answer? Mera screen kidhar gaya? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. मुझे क्यों नहीं दिख रहा? Okay, I'll just stop share.
Today's date is 30, right?
Okay, sharing again.
Yes, ma'am. Today's date is 30.
Okay, so we have done this question now. Now we'll do division. Yesterday we did decimal by decimal. Now we are dividing over here decimal by a whole number. Okay, so you don't need to multiply anything in the numerator and denominator. Simply divide. Okay, see, yesterday when we were doing it, suppose a decimal by a decimal, what is the difference between this division and decimal by decimal? When we are dividing a decimal by decimal, for example, 2.453 divided by 0.3, what will I do? I will
You will change the denominator into a whole number.
number. So I have to multiply with 10 and then I will solve the question. Okay, like this. But here you don't have to do anything. Already it is a whole number. So that is why what we do, then we'll just do 16.64 divided by 20 you have to do. So simply divide and give me the answer in decimal, 2 digits decimal. Okay.
8.3.
2 decimal digits. Okay. Everyone is getting 8.3. Do the second one. 16.64 divided by 20. How come 8.3? 20 is there.
It should be something 0 point, right?
Yes, it will be 0 point. So give me the correct answer. Answer is 0.83. Check your answer. For 3 decimal अगर निकालना है तो it will be 0.832.
Ma'am, 0.832.
Yes, 0.8.
Then why do you write 20? It is 40, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question, 0.192 by 12. So you have to divide 0.192 divided by 12. Again, you will start with a decimal only. Then 1 is
Ma'am,
there. Yes.
ma'am, in this division, can we do the lowest term first?
You can do like that also. You see.
Ma'am, will it become 0.0 or 0?
Ma'am,
we will do 12 on the 12, right?
Yeah. 12 say you have to divide. Okay. 1 will not go. So you will have to take 19. So 2 together. So 1, you will put a 0 over here. So 0 point, because 1 decimal you have put for decimal. 1 doesn't go by 12. So I have to take 19. For taking 19, I have to put a 0. And then 12 ones are 12. Okay. Okay. And if you want to proceed by doing the lowest form, you can do that also. 3 4s are 12 and 0.
The answer is 0.016.
0.016.
कितना आ गया इधर? 9 में से 2 गया, 7 and 2.
Ma'am, 6 are 72.
So this is your answer. So Sida also you can do. So second answer is 0.016. Next answer, 16. Next question, 163.44 divided by 24. By 7 and 6, because 7 2s are 14 hota hai and 6 2s are 12. Here you can have 14 also. But if you do 24 into 7, 168 you are getting, which is greater. So it will go by 6. Okay. $144. So 6. Is it correct? Because 7 से नहीं जाएगा. 7 से it is greater. 168. We have just 163. So 13 minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Then a decimal, because here you have a decimal. So a decimal over here. Now 24 कितने से जाएगा?
You will have to bring down the.
तो 24 8 भी जा सकता है. No, 8 से नहीं जाएगा. It will go by 24 7. 7 जा 168 है. 8 से तो नहीं जाए. 8 से भी जा सकता है. Let's try with 8 also. Yes, it will go by 8, huh?
Ma'am, I got 6.81 after doing lowest term.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, 6.81.
See how Humera is doing. You can start with the lowest term so that you have a smaller division. Okay. If I do it in the lowest term, क्या होगा? 2 से जाएगा दोनों. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 point, 2 7s are 14, and 2 2s are 4. Again, it will go by 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, a 0 point. Now यहाँ पे 17 हो गया. 2 8s are 16 and 2 6s are 12. Again, it goes by 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 से भी चला जाएगा. So you have 3 6s are 18.24. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. So same answer you are getting. Lowest form में भी करके कर सकते हैं and सीधा divide करके भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. So whichever is easier for you, as Humaira says, she is doing using lowest form. You can do using lowest form also. Answer should be same. Any method you follow, whichever is easier to you, and then answer you should get the same. Okay. Next one, 403.2. Now I'm not doing. Do it on your own and give me the answer. I want to see who is the first to give me the correct answer. Okay. 403.2 by 96. You can do by lowest form also. You can do the direct division also. Any way you can do. Because denominator में you have a whole number, तो lowest form भी कर सकते हैं.
Shruti ma'am,
Yes.
because 40, we'll take 403, na?
Yes.
96.
3.2 by 96 or divided by 96. Any way you can do. You take 400.
So we take 403 together.
Take it. Together only you will take 96. Okay. Because for 40 you cannot take, na? So you have to take 400. Or you can do a lowest form and solve. Like this also you can solve, cancel out, keep on cancelling and solve it. Ahmed not doing? Ahmed? You have to do it.
I'm doing it.
Ahmed, see, remember you have to work, show the working.
Should I say, ma'am, 0.14 and the remainder is 100.
No, you have to bring the answer in decimal.
0.14, ma'am.
Remainder. 96 से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता remainder. Okay? Anyone has got?
1 second, ma'am.
First digit is what?
Ma'am, first digit is 4.
4, okay. After that, you will get a decimal only, na?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Humaira, what is your answer?
4.2.
4.2. Okay. Anyone else has got? Humaira has got first answer.
13 minus 4 is...
And I also got 4.2.
Okay. Mudabbir has got. Muazzam, you have got?
Ma'am, I also got
Yes,
4.
ma'am.
Okay, so that means everyone is getting 4.2. So 4.2 is correct answer. Humaira, very good.
Ma'am, 4.2.
Okay, good. Yeah. So 4.2 is the answer. You can see, find out the remainder, and then you put a decimal over
And
here.
129 is the remainder.
Yes, 9 हो गया यहाँ पे. Here it is.
There is no remainder.
नहीं, first time divide करके she is telling ना.
I also got 4.2.
9 में से 8 गया 192 and
Ma'am.
192 na,
Yeah.
and then 2s it will go. So yeah, that is the correct answer. So this
9.
is clear to
Then
you.
this 0 becomes 10, right? 10 minus 2.
Why
अच्छा,
10? Why 10? 10 नहीं होगा,
9 minus 7.
9 होगा ये. Okay,
No, the 9 minus
तो
7 is 2.
यहाँ पे 3 हो गया and यहाँ पे 13 हो गया.
Ma'am, I got 13 into 96 into 4 is 374 I got.
374 you got,
Yes.
but it
No,
should be 4.
I did a mistake.
Yes. Okay. Now we'll do some other questions. So division is clear to you. So we are not doing. Okay. Now word problem. See. Just read the problem. Who will read this question? Amina. Just read this question. Read this question.
First one.
Yeah. 83 question.
Ma'am, how 192 is the remainder?
In her science class, Jyoti learned that the atomic weight of helium is 4.0030, of hydrogen is 1.0080, and of oxygen is 16.0000. Find the difference between the atomic weights of A, oxygen and hydrogen,
Okay.
B, oxygen
This
and
first
helium.
part. This first part. Okay. So difference between atomic weights of oxygen and hydrogen. What will we do, Muni?
2. 1.
Minus
हाँ, so किस में से किसको minus? Tell me the numbers.
16.0000 minus 1.0080.
Hydrogen.
Give me the answer. What is the answer for the first one? Oxygen and hydrogen difference. You have to do 16.0000 minus 1.008. What is the answer? Anyone has got the answer? Give me the answer if anyone gets
Ma'am,
it.
14.9920.
14.9920.
9920. Mozam, what did you get? Mozam and Mudabbir, what did you get? You were telling the answer, na, just now.
Yes, ma'am, we got the same answer.
Okay, same answer. Okay, fine. So rest all the question, you have to find the difference only. Okay. Now read this question, Munib. 84.
Measurement made in science lab must be as accurate as possible. Ravi measured the length of an iron rod and said it was 19.34 centimeter long. Kamal said 19.25 centimeter and Tabish said 19.7 centimeter. The correct length was 19.33 centimeter. How much of error was made by each of the boys?
So what we have to do, Munib?
Ma'am, we'll have to divide.
Divide. Okay. Sakleen, what will we do? Error means kya? Actual
And we
length
have
is
to-
19.33 and they are getting 19.25. So what is the error?
Ma'am, then
the
subtract.
measurement.
We have to subtract.
Yes, you have to subtract, but from what and what you have to subtract? What is Kamal's error? Tell me.
19.25 centimeter minus
0.8 centimeter.
You are telling it in the wrong way. 19.33 minus 19.25, Muni. Bigger minus smaller. Okay. So that will be your error. Yes, Anas. What is Tabish?
Ma'am, we have to write this word problem in book.
No, they don't have to write. This is for practice, class practice. Tabish,
Ma'am, for Kamal it is 0.8. For
Tabish, what is it? 19.33 minus 19.27. How much it is? 0.
5. No, 6. 0.6.
And for who is the first one? Ravi.
Huh.
For
It
Ravi,
is-
what is it?
1 plus 1.
1 plus
19 point. Just a minute. Huh?
19.34 ma'am, plus 1 because the correct answer was 19.33 centimeters.
-1.
No, plus 1.
Okay, Ravi measured the
0.0
length of an
plus
iron
1.
rod and it was
19
19.34. What will be the difference? It is not. What is the difference? 0.01, na?
Yes.
0.01.
Yes, so bigger minus smaller, the error is plus 0.01 or ये लोग का negative में था, means lesser था. So, but error will be same. You have to write error in positive only. Okay. Now, question number 85. This is divided by this. What will be the quotient?
Quotient ma'am.
In words. So 0.2964. Whose background sound is there?
I cannot hear you properly. Me neither.
Me
No
neither.
background voice.
Background sound is there. Who's just mute yourself, everyone. Now it's fine, na? It's not coming now. Yeah. So you have to divide this. What is the answer?
And what is a quotient ma'am?
Ma'am, the question is divided by 0.004. You have written 0.04.
Question is 0.004. Okay. See, this is divided by 0.004. What will be the quotient? So how, first of all, how will you divide it?
First we'll have to multiply it with 1000, right?
You have to multiply with 1000 because you have to make it your number, denominator. So when you multiply with 1000 in the numerator, what do you get? What do you get, Amina? When you multiply with 1000 in numerator into 1000 and into 1000. So in the numerator, what will you get, Amina?
9.64. Now we get 9.64 divided by 4.
Yes, you can do it in the lowest form also. 4 sevens are 4 fours are 16 and 1. So your quotient is 7.41. You are getting quotient as 7.41. Okay, a flower garden is this much meter long. Sheila wants to make a border along one side using bricks that are 0.25 meter long. How many bricks will be needed? Now, what we have to do in this question?
22.50
Ma'am, we'll have to
divided by 0.25.
5. Yes, do it.
Ma'am, we will first multiply it with 100. So it becomes, no, with 100, huh? So it becomes 25 and the upper one will become
Give me the answer.
1250.
What is the answer? $25, how many times is 220?
Ones are.
No,
No, 25. Ones are 25.
no, 220.
90, ma'am, 90.
Correct answer, 90.
Ma'am, 25 nines are. And 0, so 90.
So 90 bricks are required. Okay. You know what problems? Write 3 statements. Huh?
Now,
Right.
can you see the question answer again?
First question.
Now,
Fine.
can you see the answer again?
90.
No, that some.
Which one?
Into 100 will multiply, na both?
Yes, both by 100. So 2250 upon 25. Okay, this one answer, this is orally also you can do. 0.3 into 0.3, what is it?
0.9.
No?
Ma'am,
Ahmed?
0.09.
Yes, 0.09 because 2 decimals are there. And what is it, Ahmed? 0.2 into 0.2?
0.04.
So what is the answer now?
0.05.
Yes. Okay, now do this one. How will you do?
And we have to find the LCM.
No, first of all, divide na. Divide kar lo.
4 ones and 4 fours are 16, ma'am.
0.3 का multiplied by 10 and 0.4 का भी multiplied by 10.
So numerator also you have to multiply na. Only denominator थोड़ी ना करना है. So 0.3 into 10 and plus 0.16 into 10 and 0.4 into 10. So how much you are getting? This is 6 by 3 and this is 1.6 by 4. So 3 2s are 6 हो गया ये. And this is how much? 4, 0.4. So answer is 2.4. Check your answer. Anyway, you can proceed. You can find LCM also, but वो complicated हो जाएगा because decimal भी है, then LCM also. So better continue in decimal only. So decimal का division किया पहले. Decimal division में you just multiply numerator denominator by 10. It becomes a whole number 2 हो गया, and here it becomes 1.6 by 4. So which is 0.4. So 2 plus 0.4 is 2.4. Is this question clear to you all?
1 second.
Yes.
Do the last question. 0.2 into 0.14. Multiply, then add. These multiplications you will do first, and then this multiplication you will find out. Give me the answer for last one. Whoever solves first, give me the answer.
Ma'am, I didn't get the 109 question.
See, you have to do, because it is division, right? Decimal में fraction है, that means it is divided, right? So you cannot have a decimal in the
Into
denominator.
10.
So into 10 किया,
हाँ.
and यहाँ पे 0.16 upon 0.4. Again, I have to do into 10 to remove the decimal in the denominator. ठीक है? So you have 6 upon 3 यहाँ पे, and you have 1.6 divided by 4. So ये lowest form में हो गया. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and this also you can cancel. 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. 0.4 because one decimal is there. So your answer is 2 plus 0.4. Okay. Your denominator is 1. So answer is 2.4. Clear, Safia?
Yes. 1 second.
Anyone has found 110? Fourteen twos is 28, but 0.028 plus.
Now we are doing the 110 question.
Yes, I'm doing it over here. Nobody gave me the answer. I'm doing it right now. So you add 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. First you will add, because here pura ke niche one denominator is there. Okay. So you need to add first. This fraction means you need to add first. So 5, 8, 14, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4, let's see, 0.02.
I got the answer.
Yes, what is the answer?
16.1.
I'm doing it. You get here 48.3 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. 16 तो नहीं आ रहा है, 24 आ रहा है. 2 1s are 2 and 2 5. 24.15 I am getting. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am, me too.
Sure. Muneeb, you are also getting the same answer, 24.15.
Yup.
Who else is getting the same answer?
Shruti ma'am, what is this?
This one. See, first 14.
No.
Yeah.
The answer.
Answer is 24.15. Divide 48.3 by 2.
What is this?
These calculations, I might be wrong.
This.
Sakleen, check where you have done your mistake. 14 into 2 is 28. And 3 decimals, so 0.028. Muazzam Mudafir, what did you get? Farhana,
Ma'am, I got 24.1.
Yes,
one.
ma'am,
I
I
also
did
got
mistake.
24.15.
Okay, so everyone is getting same answer. So this is your answer. Fine.
Now,
So
what is this number?
0.2. Which number?
This
100.
same mark.
100, na?
No, beside that.
48.3. Which number you are asking?
This
Ma'am,
one.
that is 0.483.
0.483. This is 0.483. Okay, and point on and 0.02. Okay,
I could not see the number clearly. That's why I asked.
so note it down. So I'm stopping it. I'm stopping the share now.
1 second, ma'am. I just had to do the last one.
So just add these two first and then divide it by 0.02, multiply by 100 in numerator denominator, and then you get the answer. Okay, divide 48.3 by 2. Done, Safia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope all the doubts are clear on decimal. So all the best for your exam, for your test on Friday. Okay, do well. Fine. See you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.